What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this brow. Watch till the end. Thank you. I started off by grooming her brow. Sorry I didn't show that on camera, but I shaped her brow. Like, she's having a type of easier brow that doesn't give you much work as a makeup artist, but I used a blade to groom it. I have a video on my channel where I show you how to groom a brow. That was one of the first videos I did on this channel. If you need me to do another video of how to groom the brow, please leave it on the comment section. And I'm using the pencil Davis in the color 3. I outlined the brow following, kind of like just following the exact shape of her brow, because as you can see, when I groomed it, I made it a little bit easier. I'll be using the Proof concealer and the LA Girl concealer. I'll mix that together and I start highlighting my brow from around the brow bone, where I'm placing the concealer brush is where it's called the brow bone. So I always like to outline my brow there first, because that's kind of like the most difficult side, and I always like doing the most difficult brow first. So since I've done her makeup a number of times, I know which is her most difficult brow, and this is this one, and that's the one I'm using to do the tutorial with. Okay, so you just have to know how difficult your brow is. If it's at the area of the angle, then you can start from there. Just try to make it look like the other one. And since I wanted this tutorial to be detailed at the same time, not very long, I worked with one brow. After highlighting it using my concealer brush, I'm using a fluffy blending brush, just a concealer fluffing blending brush, and I just blend out that concealer. You need to blend out the concealer to kind of like sink into her eyes, and this can as well act as your eyeshadow base. So when applying the eyeshadow, you no longer need a concealer. So for her upper brow, I used more of the LA Girl Pro concealer because it's closer to her skin tone, even though it was a little bit wider, but I blended it very well when I finished. Sorry, I didn't realize my hand was covering what I was doing, but basically I just followed the shape of her brow and I outlined that. Usually I don't use this much concealer, but for the sake of this tutorial, I wanted the brow to really pop out. Okay, so after I highlight that, I don't usually start at the beginning of the brow. I start somewhere a little bit after, as you can see me doing, and I just want that tail to be kind of a little bit sharp, so I went more with the concealer. Now with no concealer on the brush, I will sharpen that beginning of the brow, and basically guys, that's it. If you keep practicing this on a daily basis, you really improve on your eyebrow game. The reason I decided to make this video separate from the makeup video is because I've had a lot of requests on eyebrow tutorial, so I wanted to give it some time to really show you how I draw the brow. So basically this is it about the brow tutorial. Let me know your thoughts down below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and join the family. Let us make this family grow together. I love you so much, and the full makeup tutorial will be coming up. So guys, this is how the brow turned out. Let me know what you think about this brows on the comment section below. It's your girl Viana's Beauty. Bye.